Welcome to Kitchen Science Projects. Today I'm in the laundry room. I'm going to show you how to make a simple laundry soap. So today we'll be using 20 Mule Borax, washing soda, and Fels-Naptha Soap. 3 ingredients, super simple. The washing soda and the borax are $6 approximately. You can buy them at Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's. Of course, you can buy them on Amazon. Your local grocery store might have these. I think Rural King has these. So you can pick these up for about $6. Fels-Naptha, this soap has been around for a long time. You can buy this at Meijer, Rural King, and even Ace Hardware. This soap costs less than $2. It's a stain removing soap, a laundry soap. So we'll be using this. So the recipe I'm going to use today is 2 parts washing soda, 2 parts 20 Mule Borax, and 1 part Fels-Naptha. Now if you don't want to chop the soap up yourself, they do make some kind of laundry flakes. I think I've seen them at Walmart. I don't know what brand they are, but you can also use those. Now those of you that know me, you know I buy salt in 10-pound buckets. So I'm not going to use salt today in my recipe, although you probably could. It's a little bit abrasive. But I'm going to use this bucket to store my soap. Now you can also store this in a quart jar. A jar like this size, full, will last a family of 6 about 6 months. So this is a 64-ounce glass Pyrex, 8 cups. I use this specifically for making laundry soap. So we're going to use 2 parts 20 Mule Borax and 2 parts washing soda. Let's do it. I'm going to take my washing soda and pour it in here. This tends to clump up, so I'm going to crush it up a little bit here. Another use for the kitchen hammer. Okay, so you can see we have about 32 ounces of soap. So we're going to fill the rest of this container up to the 64-ounce mark with 20 Mule Borax. And there we have it. So now I'm going to take my soap and I'm going to chop this up. I'm just going to cut this into slices. Now I have my soap. I'm going to bring it over here. Now I have this mini chopper. I usually use this to chop onions. So I'm going to chop the soap up smaller. Somebody questioned me for using soap in an apparatus that I use to prepare food. So I asked them what they thought I was going to clean it with. Yeah, soap. So yeah, it's okay to do this. Now I'm going to chop this up. Now it's all ground up nice and fine. We're going to pour this in here. Here's a big chunk here, so I'm going to chop that smaller. Now we're going to stir this. Now I'm going to take my bucket. You can see I still have some left. Now I'm going to pour this right in here. Now, like I said, this is a 10-pound bucket. You can see it's about 3/4 of the way full. And now I'm ready to use it. And I happen to have a load of laundry ready to go. Now, this is not going to suds up like regular laundry soap like you're used to, but it will still do a fantastic job of cleaning the clothes. And it smells good too. Got my clothes ready to go here. Got my soap. Now you only need 1 tablespoon per load. Any more than that is overkill, so this is all you need. And I'm just going to put it right in here. My washer is already set up, so I just need to turn it on. Now, while we're talking about laundry, I just want to show you this essential oil. You absolutely can put a couple drops of essential oil in with your laundry if you would like it to smell better. Now, I don't use dryer sheets because I don't like all the chemicals. So if you're not going to use dryer sheets, you can absolutely put essential oils in your wash and your clothes will smell nice and fresh. Citrus and lemon are always good options. This right here, lemon eucalyptus. If you put this in your laundry in the summertime, it will keep mosquitoes from biting you. They really hate this oil. It's a very good insect repellent. Without all the harsh chemicals, just put a few drops, maybe about 10 drops per load, and you'll be good to go. So I just made this for $14. 64 ounces of laundry soap. And you can do it too. It's so easy. 3 ingredients. 20 minutes.